website or on Google. It says it there.
Closed.
Tim Hortons closed, I'm guessing. Z's. They're probably closed. The menus are open.
Sorry, my systems are currently down and updating. I can only do Apple Vision at the moment.
Okay. You want anything to eat?
No, I'm all good. My 6 eggs done it. You gonna get something to eat?
No. I don't think. Hash browns. Just saw hash browns.
Here's this, and the food will be on just a second.
Alright, thank you.
Huh?
Hello.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, what's up?
What are you doing?
I am currently at Dunkin' getting a coffee.
Okay. I was just making sure you weren't. I didn't know if you were parked down at Nathan's house or you were parked at the golf course.
He said park at the golf course.
Alrighty, we're here.
Alright, yeah, he finally woke up, so.
Yeah, I know. I called him to make sure.
Alright. Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Alright, well, we're about to get on Bell School, so we'll probably lose you. We'll see you in about 10 minutes.
Alrighty.
Alright.
See you later.
See ya.
That's it.
Time to play the game.
Oh, yeah.
Time to play the game.
Alright.
First day of turkey hunting.
Boy from Mississippi, yeah, I could buy a Maybach, but I'm still in my F-150. In my last
Cameron, how we feeling this morning?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
We're gonna kill turkey.
It won't answer.
That's right.
Hopefully
We're
not
gonna
too.
watch one drop.
We went up through the top field, hoping to pop out right above the trailer, that old trailer right there, to kind of lay eyes on them, see where they go up to roost. We got over there, and we noticed there's a gobbler, like, up there where we wanted to be. I've never seen one up there this year.
Wait, where?
Right above that old trailer.
It was up in that like off that hill.
That
corner.
Like up on the hill.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh.
And it didn't see us or anything. We seen deer, then we spooked the deer off, and then the gobbler came up to see what was happening, and then he just went right back down. And so we peeked down into the back pasture. There was how many hens? Two hens. Two gobblers.
And crow called.
Probably about 10 yards away from us, we just hear a ch-ch-ch-ch-ch. I thought it was a deer, and this longbeard just comes trotting out of the woods because it was scared. Anyways, we get up there, get set up, and we don't see any turkeys. Probably about half an hour before dark, two hens came walking
Same
out.
thing whenever we were there, right off that left side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll see him flying out. Make sure you keep glancing back here in case this one comes.
Yeah.
He flew down 30 yards
We
away.
saw him. He flew down 30 yards to your
And
right.
then
Yeah.
after he flew
No,
down,
he was like in a direct line with me.
after he flew down, Nathan,
Showed you there.
I was watching down in that hollow, way down there. I seen 2 more birds fly down. They're gobbling like crazy down there.
They're
Yeah.
again.
They're gobbling like crazy.
I say we try to decoy up on top of that ridge, like slide on our bellies.
Little Gary's
Huh?
up there.
Little Gary's.
Oh, is that his going?
He's up in the corner of the field.
He's like right. You know how you take
I haven't
that
heard
tap
him. I haven't heard him call.
I texted him 10 minutes ago and he said yeah.
He didn't see nothing.
Corner of the field.
No, he's like right there.
So we're all in gobbler.
Remember where
Yeah.
we jumped that turkey last night? Get up right there, put the decoys on the ridge, have one of us army crawl out onto that and see if they're up there first.
I'll army crawl. I got it. I'll take first vote.
Dude, this bird was right there. There was hens down there. Tracy and one fly down in the corner of the
Flew down in the corner of that field, went right down over the hill.
There's another one straight ahead of us.
That was the one that flew down right next to it.
No, there's another one.
Let me go down here to try to call down to
Yeah,
them guys.
he did
come back and forth.
Me and Tate saw him up in the tree.
We thought we did. We were seeing that.
Mm-hmm.
I was scared. I was not gonna be paying attention behind me. Look behind me, 10 yards or one standing right there.
Yeah.
No,
Those ones up there were fired up. They sounded like they were coming towards
I
us.
thought these ones were coming in too.
That flat up there.
Yeah,
They were on that flat.
yeah. And I think once little Gary started calling, they started going towards him closer.
There was one down in the woods still.
Yeah, that was one me and you said that he's not too far away.
Our morning spot didn't work out. We're gonna sneak up around here where we were last night doing some scouting and peek into this corner of this field. Maybe set a decoy or 2 out. And maybe convince these birds to come up to us. Maybe not. There might not be any birds up here. We don't know. But we're gonna go up here and try and kill a bird. Honestly, I mean that's what we're out here to do.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing much to say, really.
No, I just like listening to him.
Probably scared of that 4-shot he's got.
He got the 4-shot pheasant in there, dude.
4-shot pheasant.
I'm not kidding. You think I'm kidding?
That's why you shot one last year.
Past 2 years.
They don't move. You're lucky if
All
they
these
still got
guys. TSS, yeah. Mikey Jones.
Mikey goes out and buys a $12
4-shot
$12 box of 4-shot pheasant.
That hen was close up there. She wanted to come down here, but the rest of the group didn't. I know. Did you hear the hens down here?
one
I
of
hate
them
women
was
like
Little
that.
Gary.
I hate women like
I
that.
hate one.
Give him an owl hoot, Cameron.
Do one of them hoo hoo ha ha's.
Hoo 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 ha.
There you go.
Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all?
They just gobbled. Yeah, they did. A bug flew in my eye as I was doing that.
Okay, look out. Hang on. Left-handed, that's pretty good.
He could have his head down, just coming in at me.
Yeah, he could be coming.
That one was closer. I think it might be the same bird spinning. He's in the field, probably up there strutting around him.
We just came down here and Cameron did a little owl hoot and we heard some birds gobbling over the road here. I have some permission to hunt this piece of property right here. They're up in that little field up there, if you can see that. Probably the woods line, I
Yeah, you
think.
can see it.
We're gonna get on that piece of property and try to call them down that hill.
They seem pretty fired up right now, huh?
Yeah, they do. Is he responding to me?
Yeah. He might be on the other side of this road.
coming down. I see one. He's coming down. You just gotta set it.
Oh yeah, they're coming.
Yeah, he's coming down.
Come on, Cameron, you got it. Right there. Hey.
They're up in that woods area. Oh, he's walking to the left a little bit.
Yeah.
Huh? He's walking like down and to the left.
Got on them birds from across the road. Whenever we came up, they were getting ready to cross the road up there. We pulled them back down. They got back down in this cut, and they just worked back to the woods. We're gonna head up to this bend, see if we can get eyes on them. So those hens, they were leaving.
What?
Them birds were getting up. The only reason they stopped and came back was because we started calling.
They took off?
Yeah. Yeah, they did.
I wonder why.
We spooked them.
Look at this. What? I didn't move that up.
Looking at it. That's the closest we're getting to one.
Right there.
No, we'll make it. Yeah? It does taste bad. Might get iced coffee. So
I like the Black Rifle Company. What's that called?
black.
Espresso mocha.
Espresso mocha.
Now, do we want to park up by the house, by the old house, or on Barbara Pony's place?
Not by the old house. Try the other place first.
See how dusty that is?
The farmer was spreading fertilizer, so we didn't really want to be in there. Plus, there'd be no turkeys in there. So we're heading over to another property that I killed a bird a few years ago. Trey killed a bird a few years ago there. See if we can strike anything up. Hopefully we can. Be pretty disappointed if we don't.
You want me to screech out?
You can do whatever you want. Whatever. Alright.
You heard one?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say. What happened?
Nothing happened.
No, nothing happened. We're back at the truck.
Absolutely.
Nothing happened.
A walk. Hey!
Let's do it right in front of the softball ground.
Hey!
Oh, you want me to talk?
Yeah.
Heard birds in the morning and kind of bounced around in a couple different spots, got on different birds. We had two that busted us. It's like noon right now, or no, it's not.
11.
It's like 11 right now.
Feels like noon.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wrap it up for the day. Micah has to go to a baseball game, and
Other than that, we're gonna try to get out and do a little bit of scouting. Get on some birds tomorrow, definitely.
hopefully kill one.
Yeah.
None killed today, but any day in the woods is a good day.
Yep.
Except for whenever you don't kill turkeys.
Yeah, except when you don't kill turkeys, that's a bad day.
Hello? Yeah. Where are you at? Huh?
My room.
Are you ready? Or did you go back to sleep?
Cade, run up there. Run up there to the left, Cade. He hit it.
He did?
Yeah. Cade. Cade.
Cade.
Go that way. Go that way.
Left.
Nathan. 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 He hit it.
He hit it. It went left.
Huh? He hit it. He did go left.
No, I'm talking about like early.
He couldn't because of that damn tree.
That branch. Did you hear the one that was right on top of us?
Dude, I filmed that whole thing.
Dude.
The whole thing.
I was the only one that heard that then. There was a bird. Micah, there was a bird rooster right on top of us up there.
Really?
We walked right past it coming in. Had to have. I can't believe you guys didn't hear it.
Cade hit that bird.
Huh? Yeah. Did he? He hit it. I think he hit it in the body.
We might need to
That,
do a little sweep and search.
I was getting worried because that right one started working down, like the far one, and I couldn't see him no more. So I told Nathan we gotta shoot him. I didn't know Cade couldn't see him the whole time.
He seen him. He couldn't get his gun
Broke
over
off
there.
one of his spurs. See that?
Oh yeah, he did.
That one's pretty good though.
Dude, you're shaking too.
Dude, I am shaking. That was awesome.
So am I. Dude, as soon as I heard him gobbling, Cade was aiming like over here.
Yeah.
And I was like, Cade, left. So like,
Could you?
And as soon as I said,
all four of them the whole time.
well,
There's
I was sitting
There's
higher.
five
There
of
was
them?
5.
There was
So
one
whatever-
down low whenever you got shot. I
Yeah.
just seen its head right before you got shot.
That's the one that pitched down that I said, hey, they're in the field. Well, as soon as I said Cade left, I saw all 4 of their heads coming and he couldn't move.
I was
They
up a
all
little
were-
higher. As soon as he came up, like 5 seconds before he shot, I seen his beard.
I was up on
But I
top.
didn't want to say
could see
hey to
him.
Tom because I didn't want him to hear me.
I knew that the one that was like going in and out. I knew he was a Tom.
But yeah, there was a bird roost. There might be a bird in that field. There was one roost right on top of us.
Dude, that thing went down like a sack of bricks and then it just stood up.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
And then I shot again and missed, and he hit it again.
Yeah, I bet
it literally
that's
went
like
like it went up and it's face down right in the dirt.
And then when I shot it again, it went like straight down and then came right back up.
Yeah, it just stood there.
Listen real quick.
Now, a lot of times we say that.
Go this way. Don't go down that way.
Yeah, no. Cut his path.
He's on that top.
Hey, what if we set up right?
holding that end?
What?
Can we set up right there?
Don't set up over there.
What if you set up right here and sat right on that bank?
It's pretty open.
Huh?
I think there's some thicker stuff right here though. Let's go! No, it's a light sensitive got covered. Let's go. Good job, Cade. Good job, Cade.
Man. And he was on a dead sprint until like right there. He was on a dead sprint until like right there, and then he left.
Came out this morning, roosted some birds last night right here. Came out this morning, set up right here, had these birds gobbling first light. We knew there were 4 down there. Come right up. We were hoping to double up. Cade couldn't got a shot. He still shot. He missed. Micah got one on the ground.